What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to add dates and statuses in my monday.com board. First, let's open monday.com and sign in with your account. Here I'll choose the main workspace, the main default workspace that is available when you sign in, and click on the plus icon here to add a board to my workspace. I will add a new board. Here let's call it test board. Okay, and I'll leave all the settings as they are. Click create board. And here's the board I created. You'll find some groups that have already the status and the dates set up, but I'll want to show you how to do this from scratch. So I'll add a new group here. Let's say I'll add a task, a very urgent task. Hit enter. And here I can add status to my task. So working on it, or stuck, or done, or like grade no status. Or I can even create a new status like almost done and click apply. So I can choose it. So I know that I'm almost done with this urgent task. And now let's set a due date. I'll go to the dates tab here, click on it, and I'll set a date that's 1 week from today. Okay, and now I've set a status and a date in my monday.com board.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.